Why? You have won yourself a shiny secret pet.
Wow, guys. Oh
Let's see if they reply with their username, because if they do not, then somebody else will win. Index. So I've just got to remember Citrus Overlord, Galactic Bunny, Cartoon Hexarium. Remember that for me, chat.
Alright, we gotta go back to my videos. Oh my god. No.
Not quite there yet. They might not reply with their name. They have to give me their username or they don't win. They've got 1 minute and 30 seconds. They're here, yeah, that doesn't matter. They have to give me their username in 2 minutes. They have 2 minutes to give me their username.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I just won a shiny king slime.
I don't like this dono, bro. I already explained this to you. That I don't like this dono. I'm gonna check what this game is.
No.
Poison O Nation.
You have UTG in this game. Astonished face. 5,120,700.
Hey, Reddit is 5 billion. That's so funny.
Bro, what's going on?
Yeah, these kind of games, you usually shouldn't join them, bro. I don't know if you're the developer or whatever, but I know a lot of developers that use these kind of games to fish scam and... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about it, bro. Alright. Okay, cool. I got their username. Alright, the giveaway has been redeemed. It is now time to add this person. So, giveaway winner, just, accept my friend request and then join my super happy place.
I cannot believe I just won. Wow. Wow, okay. Magic bus white tea. That is... Yeah, I know. Okay, wow. Oh wait, yeah, I gotta... Bro, I was so nervous. I was like, see this? Please, acknowledge this. No, it's full. I'm gonna go back. It's full. Wait. Please, somebody leave. Please. Bro, I cannot believe I just dipped. Bro, somebody leave. Stop. This making my brain. Bro, I cannot believe that. I'm watching on my TV. Magic Bus, shout out to you. Wow. Okay, wow. I was like, wow, shiny king slime. I'm gonna enter, just see. And I won. And why is this taking so long? Please, hurry up, bruh. Okay, my TV better turn on. I need to see what Mr. I'm joining. Gotta see what he's gonna say. Okay, I'm joining. I am joining Magic Bus's server. I am in shock. Yeah. TV here. Okay. Hey. Where is he? Magic? Hello? Oh my gosh, my internet. Dude. My internet? No. Stop. Oh, he shut it down probably. Okay. I gotta. There you go. Okay. Or is he? I'm watching his stream. Wow. 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 Dude, here's my 15-second. I'm in. 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 No, no, no. Stop it. Please. Please. Stop it. Bro, Roblox doesn't want me to win a shiny king slime. Wow. Why you leave? Magic, what the heck? Hello? Hi. Okay. It has been done. I think. Thank you. Thank you, Magic. Goodbye, YouTube.